So everybody says you have to do the Phi Phi Viewpoints here. So here I am, sweating out the rum buckets from last night and questioning my life choices. So to get to the viewpoint, you start by Tanzai Village following the signs, or just other sweaty backpackers who also regret everything. Whew, so here we go. Up the stairs to get to the viewpoints that overlook the island. Will it be worth it? We shall see. Said it was a short hike, but they didn't mention how freaking vertical this is. Man, I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's like triple black diamond stuff here. Whew. Oh yeah. Man, it's a steep staircase here. Wow. Almost straight up. Local wildlife judging my cardio. Yep. Entry fee, 50 baht. Cost of your dignity, priceless. So here you have viewpoint numero uno, number one, overlooking the Phi Phi Islands, which is famous for the narrow stretch between Tanzai Bay and Lo De Loom. You can literally walk to one end of the beach to the other in about 3 minutes. Looks like a real life screensaver, doesn't it? All right, let's keep going to viewpoint 3. Oh, photo service. How about a lift service? Oh my God. Whew. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have made it after what feels like it was never gonna end. But check it out. Ooh, Phi Phi Viewpoint up on top of the island. It's that little stretch here I was mentioning earlier. You can walk right in between beaches, which is on the opposite sides of the island. Wow. So some tips, if you're gonna come up here, definitely go early in the morning or late afternoon to avoid the heat and other sweaty humans. Oh, make sure you bring plenty of water and put on your sunscreen. It's booming up here. Wear shoes, not flip-flops. It's not as easy as a hike as I thought. Shoes would be much better. So if you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up or send me a fan. Either way, like, follow, subscribe. We'll see you on the next adventure. Adios.